Sendspark makes it easy to send AI personalized videos in Woodpecker. So you just create one video in Sendspark, and then you can embed it in your Woodpecker sequence, and every person sees the video with you talking over their website and saying their name in the video. So that's the example for me. And you can also see if we're sending this to William and Lavender, we see the Lavender website, or Mark at Salesforce, we see the Salesforce website. And if we want to play one of the videos, this is what it's going to sound like here. Hi, Bethany. It's been a while since we spoke, so I just wanted to touch base and show you some, and everyone's going to hear that with their own voice. So the way we set this up, first we're going to go into Sendspark, and we're going to create our dynamic video. And what we do here is first we're going to select the video that we want to use that's like the camera bubble over the website. And this should just be a video of you talking as if you're recording over their website. The key thing you need to do to optimize this video for AI is just record the video saying hi watermelon at the beginning of the video. And then that watermelon variable is going to get replaced with your prospect's first name. Just toggle on voice cloning here to tell us that you've done this, and then you can set up the rest of the video page. And the video page is what people click on once they see the video and email. So they click on that, and then that's going to open in a new page. And this, of course, would have your logo, your branding, et cetera. They can watch the video, schedule a demo, or take the next step in your sales process. And then from there, you just import your contacts. So if you have a CSV, you can upload this, or if you're just testing it out, type in a few and see how it works. And then you'll see all these videos generate here, and you can click to play them. We already played Bethany, but let's play Cameron. Hi, Cameron. It's been a while. And Yamini. Hi, Yamini. It's been a while since we. So if this sounds good to you, then you'll just share it in Woodpecker. For here, click Share Campaign and select the option for Woodpecker. You can just click on this button that's going to copy the share snippet to your clipboard, and then you can go into your email in Woodpecker. And what you're going to do is, here, let me get out of this view. I'm in the preview. Let me get back to the campaign. And for here, all we did, super, super simple. You just go into your email where you want the video to be. I'll delete what's already there and then just paste the new version in. You'll notice that when you first paste the video, you're not seeing the video over a background. That's normal. That's because no contact's been selected. You just see the video of yourself, and this is also the fallback. And then when you preview with real contacts like we just did at the beginning of the video, you'll see the video with yourself over their website for every one of your contacts. So super easy, super scalable. We really hope this helps you connect more personally with your prospects. All right, enjoy.